especially the ABS-CBN versus Katuan case, yung
fair
commentaries po. Mag-oppose po ba ang defense in case i-raise yun ng prosecution?
Wala, sa akin, I don't see any reason to oppose at this point. Of course, I'm speaking for myself as a spokesperson. I need to discuss this also with the rest of the team. So, ayaw ko muna magbigay ng categorical na sagot. But just to give you a quick answer, sa atin naman, if that is raised by the prosecution, we will just wait for the ruling of the court and we will just comply kung magkaroon man ng pagbabago o wala.
Sir, realistically, knowing VP Sara, makakapag-comply kaya siya na huwag magsalita regarding sa impeachment trial niya?
Well, usapan namin, ma'am. Itong mga bagay na to ay kasi actually first time naman talaga nagkaroon tayo ng full-blown impeachment trial concerning her. So, pag-usapan muna namin. I cannot say realistically or what. I don't want to speculate. So, I'll just have talk with her. I'll discuss everything with her. And then, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction.
Pero pagdating dun sa mga statement, do you think susunod naman si VP dahil for statement naman yan, hindi naman ambush interview?
Hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko masabi sa ngayon. But, syempre, lahat naman tayo gusto mag-comply kung ano man yung naayon sa batas and sa rules. So it's just a matter of really defining what is really sub judice or not.